Your sales funnel needs to be an environment of dialogue, not monologue. So now is the perfect time to begin adding more conversations with your sales leads and your ideal clients. And when I say conversations, I'm talking about giving your sales leads and your ideal clients more of your personal time, experience, and knowledge. This can be achieved by offering premium services like webinars or seminars that can fast track their end desired results. My name is Christian Fumic and welcome to the Growth Funnel Journey and Fresnel Evergreen. This is a channel that's all about helping you learn how to create the perfect lead magnet and sales funnel for your business. In step 3 of element 3, it's all about increasing the conversations you have with your sales leads. Before we start, it's important to note that in step 3, it's only available to existing Growth Funnel Journey clients who have completed both element 1 and element 2. And the reason why we do this is, unlike other digital marketing agencies, it's because we want your business to benefit from the highest conversion percentages possible, so you gain the highest return on your marketing budget spend. For example, we could do SEO services for your business right now, but without a lead magnet and a sales funnel on your homepage, it's a missed opportunity. You will be spending a lot of time and money each month to increase the traffic to your homepage. Initially, this is great, and hopefully your website conversion, your homepage converts and convinces a small percentage of traffic to pick up the phone and give you a call. But what about all that traffic that landed on your website and didn't pick up the phone to contact you? They have all gone away, and all you can do is try retargeting advertising to get them back to your homepage again and again. So to make more of your SEO spend and make it more effective, we prefer to build you a growth funnel journey so we can put your Trojan horse lead magnet on your homepage. So that way, if this traffic, potential sales leads, land on your website and don't want to pick up the phone and contact you straight away, now they have the opportunity to download your ebook instead. And don't forget, once they've downloaded your ebook, you've captured their email address. You get the opportunity to build trust, authority, and a relationship with them, thus making your SEO conversion percentages a lot higher. The lead magnets that we build typically convert anywhere from 25% to 65% of your cold traffic into an email list. Then once they start consuming your Evergreen lead magnet content within your customer journey, you can start to expect conversions up to about 80% of your cold sales leads into warm sales leads, and then start to convert these warm sales leads, about 20% of them, to get them to pick up the phone and contact you. So once you have completed and launched your sales funnel, you will know for yourself that your business is ready for these next logical steps. And that's why we give you the option to pick and choose which ones you want to apply to your own online digital marketing strategy yourself. These options are all about creating more live conversations with your community. It's a simple function of scale and volume. The more sales leads you generate, the more people you have conversations with. The more conversations you have with more sales leads, the more market penetration, the more opportunities there are to sell, and the more referrals from brand ambassadors. And these are all the things that give your business more impact in your niche, in your field of expertise. The more you communicate with your community on a live basis, the stronger your relationships become. You build more trust and authority, and you get to help more people, more clients within a shorter period of time. That's the outline of the growth funnel journey. There is so much more for you to learn. This is just a short YouTube series. I've just tried to be very quick. So click over to our website and continue your learning. So if you have any questions about this content, leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We are committed to providing you the very best online lead magnet and sales funnel learning experience. It's all available for you and just waiting on our website. I've also included links below this video in the description area to your free ebook guide that comes with a free introduction course that covers everything that you're going to need to learn about. So, thank you for letting us be a small part of your learning experience. And the truth is, as I've always said a lot of times, sales is a numbers game, and we help you with those numbers. We want you to get more sales leads, we want you to get more conversions, and we want you to grow your business. Thank you, and talk to you soon.